We've got some interesting stuff planned for today, but we've got to get to the car and get repacked because we've got to go get on a ferry to Vestmannaeyjar. So we're gonna head down. I think it's about 2 hours outside of the city. We gotta make it. It's 9 o'clock now. We gotta make it by noon. Let's get going.
You guys, he runs. When I'm the one with the camera and stuff, he runs, and then
We'll see.
I can't keep up.
So we're here at a waterfall. I'll put the name below, and it's super cold, super wet, very misty. Wear all of your rain gear, throw it all on, you need it. And yeah, really, I highly recommend it. It's super big, so we're gonna enjoy it, and then we'll be back in the car. Do you have to go back that way?
Yeah.
Putting my camera inside my hat to keep it dry, too wet. Ready?
I don't know if you guys can see the mist coming off, but it's like a welcome to the water park.
So, change of plan. We have extra time. Ooh, it's muddy. Going to another waterfall that you have to like walk through a cave to get to. So that'll be really cool. We have like an hour before the ferry, so go.
So cool.
Oh my gosh, that was so wet. It's like we went swimming. I really hope this camera I rented is still working. I think it is. But now we can go back to the car.
I think everybody should know that this is basically an Icelandic water park. So if you do decide to come to these waterfalls and you are planning on going behind them, definitely wear some waterproof pants. Not water resistant, waterproof. Same thing with the jackets. Wear something that is quite waterproof, not just water resistant. Alright, hopefully that helps anybody who's coming to Iceland or planning on visiting these falls. They're absolutely amazing, 100% worth it. Honestly, these are a must stop. I think we skipped these last time because it was so busy. But just remember there's kind of two waterfalls, so even though the parking lot looks kind of busy, it's not as bad as you think. Alright. I feel like I should also give an update on the Fjallraven pants. We put about 3 layers of wax on these. I already had one on it before the trip, and then I put another 2 on before we went to the trip. They didn't stand up to the waterfall. I think they lasted all about like 60 seconds before they were soaked through, so it's probably on me, but just remember, waterproof. smells like fish.
Oh.
Welcome to the ferry.
It's pretty cool. One of the bigger ferries I've been on.
The passenger, this is your captain speaking. Our estimate sailing time to Vestmannaeyjar is about 40 minutes. Today we have strong wind from east, so we can expect some movement on this journey. Thank you.
Alrighty, so it's gonna be a little rough today, but I was trying to record over there. I don't know if you can see, but that's actually the ferry charger. And so like when the ferry comes in and parks, it can actually charge. This whole ferry is like one giant electric ferry. So it should be a little bit quieter, but we'll see. It's actually my first time on an electric ferry.
My seat keeps moving.
Oh, look
Just
at.
like drifting this way. Oh my gosh. Do you want to go up top?
Yep.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
This is so cool. We're like on the open ocean, and it's very rocky, big rollers. It's all stormy today. That's super cool. I'm like falling over.
I don't know if this is coming across in the camera, but it's hilarious.
Oh my gosh.
We're really rocking.
Oh my gosh. Look at the island. Like going uphill and then downhill and uphill. And then against the wall.
It's kind of like a little bit of a wash machine effect.
It's a little bit. Woo. How's it going? This is wild, man. It's totally worth freezing our butts off to be out here. I know we're weird, but this is what we like to experience.
This is not the side.
No, this side's worse, for sure. And look at that island. It's wild. I didn't expect it to be like mountainous islands, but I guess I didn't do my research very well. Man, this side of the boat is so much better. It's like, I just feel my face again.
It's still quite rough on this side, but the wind is not as bad. So hopefully you can actually hear us. Because on the other side it's quite windy.
Can you see the islands in the back?
It's very like
Mysterious.
It's like a movie.
Yeah, it reminds me of you know King Kong.
Yeah. Yeah.
when they like come out. So like when they pull up to the island, it's like all like halfway shrouded in mist. It's like stormy out. Yeah, that's exactly what it reminds me of.
I feel like I could just stay here for the rest of the ride since it's pretty sheltered.
Yeah, it's actually not so bad here.
Maybe I'll just stay here.
Let's hang out.
Yeah. I love this. This is awesome.
All right, let's go
It's
next.
a cool boat.
Yeah.
pirates invaded here in 1627. Algerian pirates. They came on 3 ships. They had trouble landing on the islands. I see why. Some guy basically told them to land on the other side of the island, and while they were landing on the other side of the island, he got his family and fled. And he was basically the only ones that escaped, and everybody else, the farms were ransacked and people were captured, and
That was up.
that was that. Pirate Cove. Some strong winds. It's hard to get a steady shot.
Yeah. Oh,
Well, we've had a good laugh.
holy moly!
Ugh. It's windy. Very windy.
How much wind can we take?
Got the key.
Ben has his big lens in case we see some puffins. Yeah. Okay, so we're going on an before dinner walk just to see some sights, and I think we found Elephant Rock, which is really cool. That's something I really wanted to see while we're here. And since the weather cleared up, that's why we're going on this walk. So it's really short. It's literally right across the street from our place. So technically we're on a golf course. I don't know if we're supposed to be here, but I'm sure they'll tell us if we aren't. But yeah, my battery's gonna die, so see you later.
Only the hard part. Getting back.
No puffins.
That's tough.
Yeah, I haven't seen any puffins today, but there's a bunch of little seagulls over there. I don't know what's competing for nesting over there, but
30 different breeds of birds nest here, remember? Hello. We're going to get ice cream. So we just got some ice cream post dinner and we were just driving around seeing what we can see. It's the cloud cover's still super low, so we can't really do anything else. Out there is the beluga sanctuary, which is actually the first beluga sanctuary in the world. And we wanted to go, but they don't have any boat rides out there tomorrow. So we probably won't be able to go, which is a shame.
this church behind me was built in 2000, and it's like an exact replica of a church in Norway. Now, one of the most like interesting things about this is like I don't know if most people know, but there was a giant volcano eruption. Hopefully we'll see it tomorrow. The volcano that's here on the island in 1973. My guess is that there was a church here originally and it got destroyed by that volcano eruption, and so now we have this. And it was, I think, originally done to celebrate 1,000 years of Christianity in Iceland.
All right, you guys, we have had a long day of driving, catching the ferry, seeing the waterfalls. It's been a good day, so we need to plan out what we're gonna do tomorrow because we really only have one full day on the islands. So we want to make the best of it. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We hopefully have some more cool videos coming, and we really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Say that again.
I got my hair in my zipper. I feel like there's no way to get the true like rolling effects that we get on this boat on camera.
Yeah, I feel like the stabilization really works. Oh, I can hear my thing rattle. Can you hear it rattle?
In the shower cap.
Always.
Ben's hack. If it's raining, you don't have a camera cover, shower caps. Welcome to Iceland.
Always stealing shower caps.